guys. Today I want to talk about the two things that I hate about the DJI Spark. Okay? There's two things I hate about this thing. Don't get me wrong, before all the the haters come out. The Spark is awesome. Okay, this is an awesome quadcopter. But DJI really dropped the ball on a couple of things with this that really just grind on my last nerve. The first one is that there's no course lock. Okay? And for people who don't know what course lock is that don't have DJI products, course lock is headless mode. Okay? The quadcopter that would most need that would be the Spark. Because how small it is and how hard it is to lose sight of this thing once it starts getting a little bit away from you. So you would have to fly that thing out. You always have to be able to know your orientation, or you could lose it. So I know, people are going to say, well, you could always hit the return to home button. Yeah, you could. But what happens if it doesn't work? What happens if you forgot to calibrate the thing and it wants to return to the last place you were flying the week before? Okay, so yeah, that's an option, but I don't think it's a good option. I think what they should have did would just put it in there, because I know that this thing has enough tech in it where they could have put that feature in. Okay, come on now, DJI. Oh, hello. And then I know there's other people who are going to say, well, you could buy the Lychee app and all that. I don't want to have to buy the Lychee app. Okay, I shouldn't have to buy the Lychee app to have course lock. It should be in here. It's in every one of their other quadcopters. It's in the Phantom 3, Phantom 4, Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, the Inspire. Well, I don't know if it's in the Inspire, but I bet it is. Okay, I'll bet it is. Chris, you can tell me if it's in there. But I'd be willing to bet it's in there. Okay? So, for them not to have the headless mode in there, the course lock, to me is just stupid. And the other thing is, one of the coolest features in all the other DJI quads, except this one, is the point of interest mode. Now, I know people are going to say, well, you can go out there and fly and circle that yourself. And you know how hard it is to do that? Do you know what kind of flying skill that it takes to go up and find something and work those sticks to where the thing is spinning and shooting the camera at the precise? For 99% of the people, that's not even an option. Okay, you can go and circle something. I can fly around something, but I'm not going to be able to keep the quadcopter constantly pointed at that point of interest. Okay, for them not to put that in there, to me, is just retarded. If they would have had those two features in there, this thing would have been so much better. Because, the point of interest is one of the best features that they have. I mean, that new asteroid feature is super awesome, in the Mavic Air. And I don't expect them to put that in this, but the point of interest mode is a simple thing that they could have put in there. They could have easily have added that to the Spark. I don't know why they didn't. Somebody told me that DJI uses separate teams to engineer these quadcopters. Like the people that engineered and designed the Mavic Pro might not have been the same team that was doing the Spark, and that's why it doesn't have the features in there. That may be true, but if you go to the DJI forums on their website, people talk about this constantly. Why isn't this stuff in here? I know that it has the technology in here to be able to do course lock and point of interest. I know it's in there. Why they're not putting that in there is beyond me. I just don't get it. But hey, it is what it is. But I think they should put it in there. So let's all go to DJI's website and start bitching and tell them to put it in there, because I'm going to. All right, guys, I just wanted to lay that out there. And if you have any comments about it, just put them down in the thing below. And you can go to DJI's website and yell at them for not putting the two of the best features they have in all of their other quadcopters, except this one. All right, guys. See ya.